Okay, we are still talking about percentages on the number line. This is part two. Let's say I want to find a percentage on the number line here. So let's say that I wanted to find 70% on this number line, 70%. Well, first thing I need to do is figure out what parts am I working with. So let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 parts. So each one of these lines represent 1/10. So this would be 1/10. This would be 2/10. This would be 3/10. 4/10. And so on, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. And 1 represents 10/10. Okay? So I know my percentages if I know my parts. 1/10 I happen to know is going to be 1/10, because if you can say it, you can make the fraction. So 1/10 is the same as 1/10. And 2/10 would be the same as 2/10. Again, if I change each of these to a percentage, I move the decimal 2 times to the right and add the percent sign. So this is 10%. So it looks like this one will be easy for us. 70% is going to be the seventh one, because if each one is 10%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%. So the answer to the question would be that this line represents 70%. So this line represents 70% on this numerical graph. If I had more than one line, if I had more than one option, I would have to look at each option and count them and then break them into their parts, label each part, and then do the division or use the butterfly method. For example, I know 70% is the same as 70 out of 100 without the percent sign. So I could check to see if each one of these using the butterfly method was equivalent to and that's in the video here, 7 times 100 or 70 times 10 would be first. 70 times 10 is 700, or 7 times 100 is 700. These are equivalent, so that is equal to 70%. Hope that helps.